Hey guys, Stefan Braun, Application Specialist, Liquid Moly USA. Today we're going to talk about some additional additives that we have both for oils, coolants, as well as for gasoline fuel. The first one I want to start with is our ProLine Engine Flush additive. Very efficient product, my favorite product of all of our additives. This goes into old oil immediately before an oil change. You run the engine at idle without any loads for 10 minutes, then you drain the oil, replace the filter. It's that simple. By doing that, you'll remove deposits, sludge, any buildup inside the engine. And by removing deposits, you're actually reducing friction and increasing engine efficiency. This will also help piston rings move freely because this will move up high in the engine, around the pistons, behind the piston rings, and remove deposit there to allow those piston rings to move freely, keep compression up, and control engine oil to reduce any excess oil consumption. Very, very effective product. By the way, can be used with either gasoline or diesel engines, doesn't matter. All right, second product we have here is a coolant additive product, a radiator flush, radiator cleaner we call it. Cleaning your cooling system is a great benefit at keeping that engine running cool, increase efficiency of the radiator, remove any scale, anything like that, any buildup, any deposits, especially after you have a problem with maybe a leaky head gasket, you may get sludge buildup. This is the perfect product to use then. This can be used in gasoline or diesel engines, no matter, doesn't matter. The only time we don't recommend using this is with modern low conductivity coolants. But you're not going to run into that unless you have, electric cars. Very popular product, very efficient. People who use it love it. Second product, radiator product, coolant product, is our stop leak. Extremely efficient. If you have a small leak, a dripping water pump, whatever it is, this can be added and this will seal that up within minutes, if not faster. This is so efficient and so safe to use that you can actually add this before you ever have a problem, before you ever have a leak, and you can just add it and let it flow through the system. It won't affect the cooling capacity of the system, and super simple to use. It's so simple and so effective that some of our race teams like to use this as a preventative before they ever have a problem. Fourth additive is a gasoline fuel additive. As you can see, the spout is here. That means it goes in the fuel tank. The Speed Tech, that it's called, it will improve atomization of the fuel, which the benefits of that is better gas mileage, more efficient running engine. You will actually notice an improvement in throttle response and a little bit better acceleration. Very popular with the race teams, but can be used for daily driving without any risks. All right, fourth additive we have is called Speed Tech. It's a gasoline fuel additive. The benefits from this is better atomization of the fuel, which means you're going to get better fuel mileage, you're going to get better engine efficiency, better throttle response, and those are great benefits to get from this not so expensive additive. Single use, use it every fill up if you want. All right, the last additive we have up here is looks a little different. This is actually for gears, mainly manual transmissions and especially differentials. Modified differentials with the lower gears, the smaller pinions. The pinion has to spin at a very high speed, even though you may not go very fast. This will quiet up that noise that builds. This will reduce friction, which friction reduces heat, and add extreme pressure properties. This can be used in all electronic lockers, torsion style differentials. We just don't recommend using it with wet clutch limited slips because reducing friction there is not a good idea. You're going to cause slippage of those clutches. So anything except wet clutch differentials. A great way of improving longevity and improving efficiency and making the differential quieter. So that's it for these additives here. These are just part of the lineup that we offer from Liquid Moly USA. We have products that cover pretty much anything out there.